Today's video is sponsored by Simply Safe. So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. I'm down here at the Sawmill this afternoon, and it is a hot one today. And I need to saw some lumber to make something. I'm not even sure what it is, to be honest with you. The other day, Eva approached me and she said, "Hey Dad, we need to make this thing for the graduation party that people can stand in front of and get their picture taken." I guess they decorate it all up. So she showed me a picture of it, and it was made out of a bunch of old pallets. And she said, "Can we get some old pallets somewhere?" I said, "Well, we got a sawmill, and we'll just make something. I've got some white pine logs, and we'll make something that looks just as nice, if not nicer." I'm not into the whole pallet construction thing. You see a lot of DIY stuff. They always show you a picture of what it looks like as soon as it's done, not what it looks like 6 months from now, especially for outdoor kind of stuff. But to each their own. I'm not into building stuff out of pallets or pulling nails and all that kind of stuff. So with that being said, let me show you the log we're going to be working with. So this is a white pine. This came from the property down in West Virginia, and it's about 8 feet 8 inches long. So I can tell you right now, whatever we're going to build is going to be around 8 feet long or 8 feet tall. Decent sized log. About 19 inches in diameter. So what I need out of this are some 2x4s and some 1x4s. Now, I was trying to think, you know, we're going to make this thing that looks like a bunch of pallets. I thought maybe when we're done with the party, I could put it inside the wood shed to use as a floor for stacking firewood on it. But if I'm going to do that, I'd have to make all the slats like probably at least 1.5 inches thick, and that's going to get real heavy real quick. So basically, I think this is going to be kind of a one-time use. So we'll cut some 2x4s and some 1x4s. I may even make the 1x4s probably like 7/8 of an inch thick, maybe even 3/4. We'll have to see. Got the blade tension up. that's some pretty nice white pine right there. That should be good for whatever it is we're building. Actually, Eva is going to put it together. She's going to work on her woodworking skills. Earlier, I mentioned that today's video was sponsored by Simply Safe, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. There's no safe like Simply Safe. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you know we take home security very seriously, and our Simply Safe system is the key component to our entire security plan. Home security is important year-round, but especially in the summertime. With longer days, warmer weather, we find ourselves away from home more. Simply Safe's smart alarm camera and live guard protection give me peace of mind when I know we'll be traveling this summer. Simply Safe has 24/7 live guard protection. Help stop crime in real time. 24/7 live guard protection is exclusive to Simply Safe. Professional monitoring agents can see and speak live to intruders in your home, stopping them in their tracks. And you also get immediate intruder deterrence. The Smart Alarm indoor camera is the only indoor camera that can instantly trigger the alarm and deter intruders with a built-in siren and live two-way agent audio. It costs less than $1 a day, which is less than half the cost of traditional home security brands, and there's no hidden contracts, hidden fees, and you can start and stop at any time. So check out this new camera right here. This thing is sweet. I just set it up. It only took about 5 minutes, hooked right up to our system. Now this one is going in the kitchen, but I brought it outside here to kind of show you the image quality. You can see on my phone, there's a live view right there, the yard. There's the chicken coop down there. Nice little camera. Save 20% on your Simply Safe security system when you sign up for a Fast Protect plan and get your first month free. Visit simplysafe.com/Morgans to customize yours. I wanted to thank you guys. If you didn't see the other day, I mentioned in a video that Eva started her own YouTube channel. It's just Eva Morgan, if you want to check it out. And I had no idea she was doing it. I mean, we had talked before. I said, you ought to start a YouTube channel. I encourage anyone that wants to go ahead and do so. And she seemed like she was interested, but, you know, it was her senior year of high school. She's always at the gym. She's with her friends. She does all kind of stuff, and she was very busy. So she just graduated, and Melissa and I were down in West Virginia with some friends and Melissa's brother and his family. And Eva made her first video building this little bench for me for Father's Day. So the bench was a surprise, and so was the YouTube channel. I had no idea that she published it until after it published. And I tell you what, it was amazing. It really was. She needs a little bit of work on her woodworking skills, but all of the positive comments from all of you, it was just great reading through it. I was a little nervous when I saw the video, but her personality, she's just not afraid. You know what I mean? To put that kind of stuff out there, you know, I would feel very uncomfortable to make a video doing something that I've never done before. You know what I mean? Because you know what's coming in the comment section. Eva, she just had at it. She learned a lot, and she's going to learn more tomorrow when she puts this together. But her channel, in a matter of a couple days, that video got over 60,000 views, and she has over 10,000 subscribers already. And she's going to stick with it. She won't upload as often as what I do, but I think she's going to shoot for one a week. And yeah, I told her the other day, it took me a year, maybe even over a year, to get 1,000 subscribers, and she's over 10,000 right now. So if you want to check that out, it's Eva Morgan. But yeah, I appreciate all the support and the kindness to her, because like a lot of you said, we all start somewhere, you know. No matter who you are, the greatest woodworker in the world started off not knowing what they were doing, and they just go on from there. That's how we all are at everything, but I think some of us forget that sometimes. But anyway, out of this cant right here, I'm gonna get three 4-inch pieces, and then I'll stand them all up on edge, and I'll get some 1x4s and some 2x4s. This will be just plenty for what she's gonna need. We'll get a lot of wood out of this. All right, look who's back down at the wood yard. Ed is here. How you recovering, Ed?
I'm doing pretty good. I feel real well, and everything's coming along real good.
Yeah.
So we'll be back into the wood splitting here within a day or two. I
might wait a little bit longer than that, but yeah.
Yeah, it's doing good.
Yeah. You get your stitches out tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yeah, right.
Good.
Morning. Tomorrow morning.
Yeah, you look good. That was scary. I'm glad it wasn't worse, but it was bad enough, you know.
Went good. Everything came out good anyhow.
Yeah. What do you think of this sawmill?
I like it very much. That's a real machine.
Yeah.
That's sure changed the logging business. This stuff.
I'm telling you.
It's your new machines.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, that leaf blower is the handiest thing to have down here. Keeps everything cleaned up. The sawdust really isn't going to hurt anything on the mill, but it just keeps accumulating, and I like to get it cleaned up each time I'm done. But I got 21 pieces. They're 3/4 inch thick, 4 inches wide. Those will be the slats. And then I've got 12 2x4s. I saw them 1.5 inch thick, true 4 inches wide. But yeah, between that pile over there, everything's sitting on the mill. That's got to be plenty for what she needs. I just checked the radar. It looks like we're going to get some storms here in a little bit. It's getting darker right now. So I think I'm going to wrap this up. But I appreciate y'all being here. Don't forget, check out Eva's channel, Eva Morgan. And also I want to thank Simply Safe for sponsoring today's video. There's a link in the description if you want more information on that. And most importantly, I appreciate y'all being here, and I will catch you on the next one.